We have 2008 Sonata today, and this is a little bit unusual because I'm not really installing nothing. I'm repairing everything. As you see, I had to take headlights off. I had to unbolt the top part of the bumper off, and I had to get them out. Well, let me first see what kind of headlights this car had. It had these nice headlights. These are aftermarket projectors with LEDs here, halos, LEDs, whatever. Okay, this is how it looks in the back. So first thing that happened, this is LED box. It started burning. Well, basically these are Chinese made lights. Look at this fitting. I mean, whatever it is, insulation. They could have used a little bit more of a silicone. This is not really sealed very well. I mean, it still worked. Here's another interesting thing about it. So they use this, supposedly it's a power wire, for the LEDs for this car, those little daytime running lights and parking lights, to power up fog lights basically. This is some kind of ground wire. It was disconnected. When I connected this box started smoking. Means there's a short in there. That's one thing about this headlight. This other headlight, LEDs were not working, and this is why. Look at this. They tucked this wire between the bumper and, well, actually bumper bracket and the headlight. It all got chewed up and it was shorting out. Another thing that I noticed, so these projector headlights, let me show you again that they are projector right here. They had these type of LEDs inside. Yes, these are, was it 4-in-1 chips that look like Cree. They're pretty bright. They have fan, yeah, whatever. They were inside this projector headlight. To me, this is not a good source for the light in the projector headlight. As I was previously mentioning in other videos, projector headlights, you kind of need a 360 LEDs. Now we're gonna replace these aftermarket headlights with these supposedly factory, I don't know, has same thing, H7 projector headlight, low beam. The only difference between this one and that one, here the projector is pushed back more. Turn signal has a lens on it. We will probably replace regular incandescent bulb with LED. High beams are basically the same, the H1, and we are probably gonna leave it at that. We're not gonna convert it to LED. Let me show you some things about the issues with the car. Yeah, that's where the wire was trapped for that headlight, with this metal bracket basically. So this is the headlight wire. You see? That's how I found it. It was not insulated. There's positive and negative wires. Yeah, they were like that. Didn't have insulation on them. Let's see the other side. The other side, here's what they did here. These two wires were literally like this. Insulation on one of the wires slid down into the connector. I'm gonna check later. I think it might have a blown fuse because these were basically touching each other. Now this wire right here, this is a signal. Car had aftermarket fog lights installed. I'm not even saying that it had LEDs in there, just the whole housing was aftermarket. Here's what they did. Look at these wires, nice thick wires, okay? They go to this relay right here. Okay, that's fine, nothing wrong with that. They have a fusible link to the battery. Okay, this is the ground for relay. I'm not really a fan of this, but okay, let's say it could work. However, this thing had a connector on the battery terminal for the ground. But then they go and connect this to, as I said before, LED parking daytime running lights on a headlight. I don't know why couldn't they just run one single wire inside the damn car. I don't know, but whatever. I'm not blaming anybody, I'm not bashing anybody. I'm just gonna do things different. So I'm gonna install conversion kit into this headlight. First I need to do is take this base off. I have to twist it off. Okay, then you have to put this in here and lock it in place. Like this. Then you take the rest and put it in. So in this case you may ask, okay, so what's gonna happen with this hole? Well, if a cap like this would not fit over it, we going to a solution of aftermarket dust cap like this. How you put it in, you take LED back out, but keep the base in place. Put the dust cap in here. See, the base is still here, so you have to kind of try to put at least first layer inside here. So a boot like this, what I did was I used blade, cut this one right here to match the rest of the diameter, maybe slightly about a millimeter more bigger than the rest of these circles, whatever. And then you have to pry it inside here and make sure you leave the connector out, because you're gonna need it for polarity. Then you'll be able to put this LED in, press it down and twist it. It's gonna take a little bit of work, but trust me, it's way better like that. Another reason is because it has a fan, so you would like to have a better air circulation so it doesn't overheat. This is how you connect it. Positive is yellow, negative is white. So you have to shove it up in there. And then put this thing in. First turn signals, you would have to twist it counterclockwise. Take it out. Alright, we have already one out from previous headlights. Okay, this is the light bulb. We're gonna replace it with LED. Okay, just put it in there and put it inside.
I like those.
Well, here's the wire that I did. Nice and neat, all insulated. The other side, nice and neat, everything insulated. Alright.
Is it on now?
Yes, it's on.
Very good, actually.
Yeah, right.
Very good.
LED turn signals, LED headlights.